What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Cars Garage. Right now, I'm still at Response Motors, attending their Cars and Coffee and open house events, but I'm going to head up to Fremont to check out the Inspire USA Cars and Coffee. Now, Inspire USA is a JDM shop that sells all the Japanese parts imported directly from Japan. And last time I went to their Cars and Coffee, it was packed. And we'll be able to see some really nice cars like GTR, mostly GDM cars, but also occasionally Italian cars. So without further ado, I'm gonna go grab lunch, and I will see you guys at Inspire USA Cars and Coffee. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, let's start up the car. Put in sports mode, and we're still here at Response Motors. And we're ready to go. Alright guys, we have arrived at the Inspire USA car meet, and looks like someone did donuts here. But check it out, the first car of the show today is actually Rob's Tacoma truck here. Very nice color. Not sure if Rob knows this guy, but or just, you know, randomly, but the two colors look very similar. I also saw Rob's video. He got a new truck bed here. Very nice. I recognize the license plate. It has something to do with nerd or something. Very nice. Also have 3S2000 here. All of them has this big carbon fiber wing. Also have two smart cards here. So this is actually the Pure Coupe, which is the base model. So you get this basic wheel covers, and that looks like a Passion model. It has upgraded wheels. So it's basically a rear engine, automated manual transmission. Also have really nice yellow Supra here. Look like part of the Inspire crew. Oh, I spotted Jasper with his Black Series. Have some WRX here, E92. And it looks like we have a wide body Z. And we have Jasper's Black Series. It's just staying there, texting someone. And we have more WRX here. So a very clean NSX.
But some people, they don't like that.
Love the carbon fiber wing on this car. Also have an orange Z. Looks like a wrap or maybe a plastic tip. Check out the wide body Z. It doesn't have any diffuser here, just wide open. There's a big hole here. Very interesting. This 335i looks like it got Meow's old trunk, carbon fiber trunk. And got a dual exhaust. Got the JDM wheels. Yeah. More Civic here. WRX. Oh, I love the color on this one. Look very milky with white wheels. Very nice. Oh, we also have a Cura with purple wheels here. Oh, we have a couple R3 or friend's car. Some old school Civic. It's like a 86. Looks really like a Lexus grille on the front. Toyota. Very clean. This is how you spec 86, I guess. Also check out the racing rear view mirror, carbon fiber, aerodynamic, centrally mounted carbon fiber wing, carbon fiber trunk, JDM wheels, carbon fiber hood. Man. Also, looks like the wide body Z, it has nothing down here, wide open. Also have this blue purple 996 with gigantic wing here. It says GT3 on the side. The tail light looks like aftermarket. Oh, it's also part of Inspire crew. Also have a Civic here.
I almost bought the visitor.
Oh, have some old Subaru here. Man, I love the color on this Civic. Of course, got a very GDM wing here. Ooh, very clean. Of course, I have a couple more here, some Lexus crew. This Type R looks really nice. Also have a backed Lexus here. We have more GDM cars here. Ooh. Very bloody WRX here. Okay. Nice. Let's check out the Civic. Ooh. It's beautiful valve cover. Very easy to work on. And we have the new Toyota. And more Subarus here. A lot of Subis today. Let's go check out that 86. Definitely running on air suspension. Oh, check out the wing, guys. It's not only got a wet body kit, but man, I love that wing. That's a big carbon fiber wing. Man, I want it, but I don't think it's ideal to put on the GTS. Very nice color. Maybe it's a wrap. Looks more like a wrap than the factory color. This wing is crazy, guys. Wow. Man. Whew. Also have another Beamer guy. Here we have an M235i. Not sure if this the same model as Anna's car. Our friend Anna has a blue M. I believe it's M, maybe 240i. I'm not sure, but this is a pretty good car to drive. When it first came out, I actually brought it a long time ago. I think back in 2015. and it's a really nice car to drive, and looks much better than the new M2, honestly. Also have another E92 328i, pretty clean. Also have another Supra with gold wheels. And check out the Model 3 with digital license plate. And it has a side strap, looks like Saul's old strap on the M3. It even have JDM wheels. Oh, have another Subi rolling in with the front windshield tint. Oh, we have another Subi. Oh, we actually saw the blue car at the car wash open house earlier. Check out this Honda here. It's a pretty clean spec here. Even got the aftermarket LED headlights. Oh, our friend's doggy is here. Check out the 5-cylinder Lamar engine. Very nice. This thing on the TTRS, it's faster than the R8. Nice, we have another Civic here. Wow. So carbon fiber. Also found a E92 M3 here. Where's DCT? Also have a GTR here. Looks like an S4 on the trailer. So we have a very dusty 86 here. Also have more Subis here. Very nice and very clean. We have another Z, looks like 350Z. Check it out, also have a backed Civic Coupe. Very nice wheels here. And you got some toys at the front. Also have another E92. We also have a S2000. Also have a couple Ford Focus. Those are nice cars. It's actually an RS. Ooh, single exit. Ooh, so it got a lot of towers here. Ooh, the Civic crew just left. Also, I spotted this yellow S2000, my favorite color. High revved engine. S2000 is actually a pretty nice track car. also have an M4 here.
So they're like
So I have a nice skyline here. Also have the 458. I think I also get on the white NSX. I think I saw this car at Rosilli once. I have the only Ferrari here today. Hey guys, so this is pretty much it. Gonna go to some of the Cars and Coffee tomorrow. But other than that, thanks for watching today's video. Remember to comment, subscribe, and if you want to know when I publish my next video, make sure you click the notification bell. Thanks for watching Cars Garage. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.